Good morning to all. My name is Piano Grace Bibin. I study in second standard. I'm gonna sing a song. How can I help? What do I need to do this job today? How can I help? What do I need to save the day? Thank you, Rainbow Ruby. You really saved the day. You came along and helped us in your very special day. Whenever there's a problem, we can count on you. You're a super friend and a super helper too. Thank you, Rainbow Ruby. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Jayhari and I want to talk about learning English as a second language. Many of us speak different languages at home. Thank you.
My name is Dian Abraham Bibin. I am studying LKG. शेर निराला हिम्मत वाला लंबी लंबी मूछे वाला देखो देखो आया से बाया बाया आया से thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Pranish. I am studying first standard GK question. Which is the national vegetable? Pumpkin. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Krishka. I am studying first standard proverb. God is love, one day கடவுள். நன்றி. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் தேவகுரு. நான் 1வது படிக்கிறேன். திருக்குறள். தீயினால் சுற்றப்பும் உள்ளாரும் ஆகாதே. நாவினால் சுற்றவிட நன்றி.